Good day, students. Today we want to consider a topic titled Solution of Simultaneous Inequality that involves shading of a particular region to show us the region that contains the three simultaneous inequalities. Now, this is the one we are going to consider first, x minus y less than 2. Now say when x equals to 0, what will be our y? 0 minus y less than 2. 0 minus y is minus y less than 2. Divide both sides by minus 1, minus 1. When you divide both sides by minus 1, the less than will turn to greater than, y greater than minus 2. Okay, we already have this. Now let's plot the graph. Before then, we need to look for the other one. We only got when x equals to 0. That is x equals to 0, y equals to minus 2. Now let's see when you have to do for the when y equals to 0 likewise. When y equals to 0, what will be our x? X minus 0 less than 2. X minus 0 is x less than 2. Now do that of when y equals to 0, x equals to 2. X equals to 2. But when you are plotting your graph, you have to consider where the three lines join. Is that okay? In the last class, when we are giving greater or equals to, we shade less or equals to, we are now left with a region that is not shaded. That region that is not shaded is the required region. But in this example, where we are going to consider what is given to you, except where the sign changes, instead of shading what less than, we are going to shade greater than. Is that okay? Now let's see. This is positive y, negative x, negative y, negative x. You're having x, you have 0 here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Negative, negative, negative. You have negative 1, negative 2. Okay? You're having 1, you're having 2. When x equals to 0, y is minus 2. State that. And when y equals to 0, at this point, x equals to 2. State that. Now, since you're having less than, there's no equals to, use dotted line. Use dotted line to show it. Okay, that's x minus y less than 2. And since we're having greater than minus, y is greater than minus 2, when up like this is in form of greater than, coming down is less than. You shade the greater than because of what we have when we are doing the calculation, because of dividing both sides by negative. Okay, now we're having x greater or equals to minus 3. Use thick line because there's equals to. And we're going to shade greater. This minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Minus 1 is greater than minus 3. You shade this portion. Now let's see the other one. Y is, okay, let's write it, x greater or equals to minus 3. Now y is less or equals to y is less or equals to 2. You see, less, you shade less, because this 2 1 is coming down, less. Use thick line also. Okay, we are now shading it to be less. You can see it. Okay, you can see that this triangle is y less or equals to 2. This is the required region. Required region. Okay, where this triangle, where all the three lines intersect. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.